Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate bonbons. Start by gathering molds, quality chocolate, a thermometer, a saucepan, and a piping bag. Temper the chocolate by gently melting, cooling, and reheating to maintain gloss and snap. Work quickly but calmly, filling molds carefully and tapping out air bubbles for smooth shells. Chill briefly, then add ganache centers and seal with tempered chocolate before final cooling. Tempering is the key to professional-looking bonbons, so take your time and trust the process. Melt 2/3 of your chocolate to about 45 degrees C, then stir in the remaining chocolate to lower the temperature steadily. Keep a close eye on the thermometer and stir until glossy and smooth. Test a small smear on parchment. A properly tempered chocolate will set firm, shiny, and with a satisfying snap. When filling bonbons, consistency matters more than speed, so pipe fillings with control and leave a small gap to seal. Smooth the top with a spatula and scrape excess chocolate to keep edges neat and consistent. Return molds to the fridge just long enough for shells to firm, then seal with tempered chocolate and chill until completely set. Pop them out gently and finish with a light polish or decorative drizzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.